In this video, we delve into the basic feature of the PenAir system, known as the folder. A folder is essentially a booking file. There are multiple ways to create a booking file or folder in Penguin. The primary method is manual creation. To do this, we click on the Create Folder option, then decide whether it's a retail or package folder. A retail folder can be of various types. It could be solely for flights, hotels, or other options. If you're reselling packages purchased from other companies, it will be a third-party package. If you're creating a package folder with several different types of products, click on Package Folder, then Next, and enter all the different details and save it. This is a basic method of manually creating a folder within the PenAir system. Besides the manual creation of a booking file or folder in the PenAir system, we have several integrations, including third-party and GDS integrations, which allow us to automatically create a folder. The Folder Search button lets you search for folders that have come through various mediums. If you've created a booking in any of the GDSs, there's a GDS in tray here. Clicking on it shows a list of all the bookings you've created in the GDS you have access to. You'll see bookings from Amadeus, Sabre, WorldSpan, Galileo, and others. You can manually upload these bookings by clicking on them. If the auto-upload option is enabled, these bookings will be automatically created in the system. Here's another way a booking flows into the PenAir system. Let's consider a scenario where an inquiry is created on your website or bookings are made. These also enter the system via the CRM option. Regardless of how the booking enters the system, you can search for it on the folder search screen. As you can see, there are several search options available, such as the PNR, folder number, or the order number. The folder number and order number are unique identifiers for a booking. If a booking is canceled and refunded or reissued, the folder number remains the same, but the order numbers differentiate them. If you don't know these unique identifiers, you can use the lead passenger's name or any third-party reference. You can also search using an invoice number or an LPO. If you want to search using an account customer's details, that's possible too. Additionally, you can use various date search options like creation date, departure date, or invoice date. You can further refine your search based on who booked it, the status of the booking, the type of order, or the payment status. If you want to search only quotes or include those without payment, simply click on Quotation Only. There are even more search options available with the PNR and passenger details. Now, let's do a random search to demonstrate what a folder looks like. We will now conduct a search based on the creation date. After selecting the date range, we simply click on the search button. As you can see, all the folders created between 1st and 14th August are displayed. The details include the folder number, any associated third-party references, the customer's name, and the departure date of the lead passenger. You can also view the payment status of each folder. The status changes based on financial activities within the folder. Additional information includes the creation date, the order number, the booking agent, the branch, the balance due date, and the outstanding balance for the folder. This is a quick overview of the folder. By clicking and entering a folder, you can access a more detailed view.